I don't answer questions.
Dude, I'm only doing like 106. He's like weaving around traffic and shit. He doesn't answer questions, by the way. He doesn't answer questions. He's driving somebody else's car, but he won't tell me who that person is. You need to step back in your vehicle.
The traffic stop's over.
Correct.
Can I get your vehicle?
And you're over here with a firearm flashing right at me.
So why is this police officer so afraid of a firearm flashing at him? This kid must have read my book. I don't answer questions. That's the only thing you should ever say to a police officer who asks you a question. The most common trick that a police officer will do is what he did in this case. When he walked up there, he told him why he stopped him and said, "Do you know how fast you were going?" Because he wanted him to admit to speeding. The bad news for this cop is this guy read my book. Let's watch and see how that turns out for him.
Court is now in session.
Hey, we be needing shit like this, man. You said we be needing shit like this.
Good evening. I'm Deputy Hackler with Arapahoe County Sheriff's Office. The reason I was pulling you over is you were going a little fast down there on Arapahoe Road. It's 45, and you're going way fast.
Okay.
Do you know how fast you were going?
I don't answer questions.
You don't answer questions.
No. Here's my registration, license, and I'm pulling up my insurance right now.
Okay, perfect.
1 second.
Well, I had to do 103 to catch up to you from Piccadilly and all the way up to Buckley's before I even caught up to you.
Did you clock me on the radar? Or...
No.
Oh, so you didn't clock me?
No.
You just caught up to me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I understand.
Visually, I estimated your speed around like 65. Okay.
It's not my car.
It's not your car? Can you pull that up again?
Yep.
Who's,
I don't answer questions.
okay.
Is that valid insurance good?
Oh, can you pull up again? All right, I'll be right back.
See how the cop looked at this guy when he said, "I don't answer questions"? He was stunned by it. I am shocked that police officers are still stunned by this response. "I don't answer questions" should be on the tip of everybody's tongue when they get pulled over by a police officer. This kid does it perfectly. If you recall, the officer said, "I had to do 103 miles an hour to catch up to you." He tells the police officer that backs him up in a few minutes that he did 106. So which was it, 103 or 106? It doesn't matter if you did 103 or 106 miles an hour to catch up with this guy. That doesn't mean that he's speeding. So let's just lay that out there first of all. So this cop was really fishing for him to admit that he was speeding. This guy never does. And what this cop doesn't know yet is this guy actually has a dash cam that records his speed. Yikes. Wonder how that works out for this cop.
This guy doesn't answer questions.
Hello?
That's what he says.
So the cop is on the phone with a girl who is just basically talking to him while he does his job. I don't know if it's his wife or his girlfriend or who it is. So he's conversating with this girl, and he's still shocked that this guy doesn't answer questions.
I asked him if he knew how fast he was going because I had to do over 100 to catch up to him. And he says, "I don't answer questions."
Well, that's nice.
And then he's driving a car that's not his.
That's nice. Translation: I don't give a fuck.
And I asked him who this person is, and he says, "I don't answer questions."
This could get interesting.
Why is she talking like she don't care, bro? Like, what's up? She's like, she don't give a fuck. Like, she... Them dry ass responses, one word. That's nice. Interesting. That's crazy.
All I was doing is flying passed. I was heading eastbound. He was heading westbound. Flipped around, and I was almost to Liverpool, like Piccadilly area. So I turn around, try to catch up to him. Dude, I'm like doing like 106, trying to catch up to him. I don't catch up to him until like Buckley, and he's like weaving around traffic and shit. So I'm getting for speeding and reckless. He doesn't answer questions, by the way. He doesn't answer questions. He's driving somebody else's car, but he won't tell me who that person is.
And honestly, why does it matter who that person is? The car's not reported stolen. Why do you really care whether or not he tells you who that person is?
Keyword: the car is not reported stolen. Now, if the car was reported stolen,
Why does it matter
that's
who
different.
that person is? The car's not reported stolen. Why do you really care whether or not he tells you who that person is?
They're recording on their cell phones right now. They're recording on their cell phones right now. Just so you know.
Which one's the driver?
Huh?
Which one's recording?
The one in the passenger seat. Here's documents back. All right, like I said, I visually estimated you at 65 and a 45.
Visually estimated me?
Yeah, when I was going westbound or eastbound, I visually estimated you at 65 and a 45.
Visually estimated me?
Yeah, when I was going westbound or eastbound, you were going westbound. You flew past me.
And you didn't clock me with any sort of radar
No,
or any sort
it
of
was visual, but you were definitely going
When is
too
the last
fast.
time that your eyes have been calibrated?
It doesn't matter.
Visual estimate. So it's a visual estimate. So it's like him looking at him like, okay, I could tell he's speeding, even though he may not be speeding. You know.
On my eyes.
Okay.
I've been trained.
You've
to
been trained?
Yeah.
Okay.
To visually
I'm
estimate.
going to go to court for this.
That's fine.
Fight it.
So I'm citing you for speeding 20 plus in a 45. Okay. And reckless driving because there was other cars that you're driving past, weaving in and around traffic.
Weaving in around the traffic. Okay. I have a dash cam, by the way.
That's fine.
That records my speed.
So you should have seen that other car that you cut off right before you went to the light when I finally caught up to you.
I didn't cut them off. I had plenty of space.
Okay, that's fine. Either way,
I think this cop got a little nervous when he found out this kid has a dash cam. Remember, this cop has never said how fast he was going. He doesn't know how fast he was going. He estimated his speed at over 20 miles an hour, which I don't think he's going to be able to prove beyond a reasonable doubt. I don't believe I would have said that about when have you had your eyes calibrated. That's a little antagonistic. I don't advise being antagonistic with police. Read my book. I don't answer questions is really all you ever have to say. I don't answer questions without a lawyer. 7 words. It's very easy. This kid does a great job at that. He does talk to him a little bit, but he's basically just chastising this officer for pulling him over for speeding because he visually estimated his speed at over 20 miles an hour. This cop's going to have a hard time in court, but you're going to find out something at the end of this video, and I won't spoil it.
your court date is going to be Monday, October 7th, 2024
Make
at
sure
2
you're
p.m. I will be there.
For sure.
Arapahoe County Combined Court. It's down there. There's the address right there. All right. I just need a signature from you right here saying that you'll show up to court.
Not admission of guilt?
Nope.
No problem. Right here?
Yep.
There's my signature autograph. There you go.
Perfect. Here's your citation.
No problem.
Drive
Can I get
safe.
your business card?
Yeah, my name's on there.
I can't get your business card. Can I get yours, sir?
Drive safe.
Very legitimate request. Can I have your business card? The officer is mad because he basically stood up to him and he didn't answer questions and he made his job harder. So this officer got pissed and he's not going to be cordial with him. He's not going to give him his business card, even though he probably has a departmental policy that requires him to identify himself if he's asked to do so. All my information's on the ticket. You know, guess what? I said spoiler alert earlier. He didn't turn this ticket in. This cop ultimately decided, I better not fight with this guy in court because I really don't know for sure if he was speeding. And if he has a dash cam that shows his speed and I'm wrong, I'm going to look really bad. So this cop never turned the ticket in at all. This kid never had to go to court. I hope he filed a complaint against this officer.
Can I get your business card?
All my information is on my...
I want your business card. It's professional for you to just give me.
Bro, like, cuz, like, I ain't gonna lie, at this point, he just wanted to show the weapon. There's no fucking way.
Is that too much to ask for? The stop's over, so can I just get your business card? That's all I want.
Why are you getting out of your vehicle right now?
Huh? I didn't hear what you said.
You need to step back in your vehicle.
The traffic stop's over.
Correct.
So can I get your business card?
And you're over here with a firearm flashing right at me.
I'm open.
Get back in.
Is open carry illegal? It's not.
Get back in your car.
Or else what?
Have a good day.
I need your business card.
My information is on the station that I gave you.
Business card. Because I'm going to request all this, the video evidence for your body cams, and I want to request all this information.
Okay, you can get all that.
My lawyer, I want your business card. Hey, here you go. I appreciate it. Thank you. I appreciate it. That's all you had to do. Can I get yours?
Literally, all his badge.
No, I understand that, but I like the business card just so I can give it to my lawyer. It's not the first time I've been to this. Don't be scared of firearms, bro. It's the second.
See? This is what we mean, right? This is why I love when my people know they shit. You see what I'm saying? This is very cordial. Now we gonna be armed. It's a no-brainer, nigga. You traffic stop if you on some bullshit. Just like that video with that nigga and the cops pulling them over and they was on some bullshit. We legally carrying shit, so don't play with us. Cause that shit over with. You feel me? But at the same time, he's cordial, he articulating himself. He know what the fuck he need to know in order to surpass the laws. He know what the fuck he need to know. Cause a lot of my people be ignorant to this shit or thinking they just gonna get past. Nah, sis, nah, brother, we gotta know this shit. So we could fuck with them in their system. Fuck they shit.
Afraid of firearms.
I see your memorial band.
Yeah.
Marine Corps.
Marine Corps.
Thank you for your service. That's all you had to do.
Okay, have a good day. Drive safe.
Traffic stop's over. I'm free to go, right?
Go, yeah, go.
Profanity redacted. I don't know who was cussing at the end of that video because it was redacted before I got the video. Man, he really tuned this cop up. And cops need to have thick skin. You know, they need to understand that in this day and age, people are asserting their right to remain silent. They're saying, I don't answer questions without a lawyer. Some of these YouTubers are doing a good job at auditing the First Amendment and auditing the Second Amendment. I'll reserve what I think about auditors. Some of the auditors do a good job. I don't think this kid is an auditor. He might be. He says, I've done this before, so he might be. This cop said, you're flashing this firearm at me? It's an open carry state, sir. You should see firearms all the time, and they should not scare you. I get being a cop is stressful, or it can be, when you're dealing with somebody that's aggressive. This guy has never shown any aggression. He didn't do anything that would make me think that I should fear for my safety if I'm the police officer. Just be cordial. Give him your business card. Don't be pissed off just because he got you. And he got you. I mean, if you really had cause to write him these tickets, you would have turned it in and you would have gone to court. Thanks for watching, everybody.
That's it, man. We gotta know our shit, man. Be on our shit, man. That's it, man.